Hello crochet, so today I'm going to show you how to make a string that looks braided. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to make a slip knot, and then you're going to leave some yarn on the other end, like just a little bit of longer yarn on the other end, and then after that you're going to chain one. After chaining one, because the process usually just to insert on the previous hook and then pull through two, on the first one you're going to do something different. So you're going to take the yarn that you are holding on the other hand and let it loose. Then you're going to use that hand to take the yarn that you left hanging and then pull it like on top of the other yarn, just on top of it, and then let it hang again. And then that's when you're going to take the yarn that you are holding before, and then you continue with making it. So what you're going to do, you're going to insert your hook on the chain one that you made, and then after that you're going to pull through one loop. You have two loops on your hook, and then you're going to pull through all two loops. After that, you're not going to repeat that again because now it's going to be super easy. So what you're going to do is insert your hook on the top chain and then pull through two. Yeah, that is all you're going to do. So you insert your hook on the top chain and then pull through two, because when you look at it you'll see you have two loops, so you use the top one and pull through two. So that is all you're going to do until you get to the end. You insert your hook on the top loop and then you pull through all two loops. One thing about this is that it looks neater, because when you just make a foundation chain, at times it usually looks like loose and it doesn't look neat. So this one I made it for a hoodie, and you can see like it looks way better. So you can use it for any of your projects. And happy crocheting, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.